So far you have seen how to run the Playwright test from the Jenkins and how to attach the artifacts in Jenkins, and also you have seen how to publish the JUnit test report in Jenkins. In this video I will discuss how to publish the Allure report in Jenkins. So it is very much similar to the how we publish the JUnit test report. So here I will go to the job which we have created it earlier, configure, go to the post build actions. So let's add the Allure report. So if I scroll up a little bit here, the job is added here. Sorry, that action is added over here. So simply you need to specify the path where exactly Allure test report is getting generated. So already we have specified the commands which has to be executed as a part of the generating the Allure test report, right? So in the tools we have added all the required commands, right? So that's the reason here simply we have to specify the location where Allure report is getting generated. So if you see this VS code, so Allure report is getting generated inside the Allure-results folder. So let's add this folder name. So if you see here already it has the Allure-results folder here. So no need to do any changes here guys. So simply you can click on apply and save it, right? Now let's click on build now. So here I will go to the job. So it started cloning the repository slowly. So if I scroll down, it has started executing all the tests. So it is waiting for the validations because we are failing one test case intentionally. So we have added enough time there for the assertion. So that's the reason it will wait for like around 30 seconds. If you see here, so this particular test case is getting failed, which is expected. And now let's go and check the results. So let's go to this job. And if you see on the left side, guys, so previously Allure report was not present, but this time Allure report is present. So simply you can click on the Allure report. And if you see here, so we have the total 3 test cases. 2 are passing and 1 is getting failed. So which is the expected output. Click on show all. So this is the browser what we have used to run the test cases. And we have total 2 spec file. One is the CodeGen test spec file. Another one is the delete API request spec file. So inside the first spec file, we have the 2 test cases. And in the second spec file, we have the 1 test case, which is expected. So let's go to the CodeGen test case. And if you see here, all the steps are listed here. And if you go inside the after hooks, so here you can see the screenshot also, right? And if I go to the next test case, so this test case is getting failed. If I go inside the after hooks, so here also you will be able to see the screenshot here, right? So this particular test is getting failed and then one time auto retry is happening. So if we go to the retry section here, so you will be able to see the retry result also here. So what is the additional failure also? If it is failing in the different step also, you can track all the error information in the retry tab. So if I go to the API test, so you can check the standard output also here. So if you go inside the std out, so we are printing all the API responses here, right? So this is how you can integrate or publish the Allure report in the Jenkins.